Machines and plants should be energy efficient. At least this is something we hear from our customers, so we talk about predictive maintenance and sustainability. So let's take a look on how we've integrated energy measurement into one of our latest products, the AMEX system. But let's start from the beginning. Fabian, you're one of our experts when it comes to energy measurement. Why is it important to use energy measurement in automation products at all?
Well, in the past, it wasn't actually. Most of our customers said energy is too cheap, so we don't need to do anything. But nowadays, this is changing. Energy gets more and more costly, and so it is part of your optimization process.
Yes.
But to be able to optimize anything, at first you need to measure it. And there we are. To be able to optimize your cost, you need to optimize your energy, and to be able to optimize it, you need to measure it first.
Okay. And how is the energy measurement integrated in the AMEX system at all? So how does it work?
Well, we started with one of our energy measuring terminals and build it into the infeed of the MX system. And there it measures the voltage and the current, multiplies by both with each other, and then we get power and energy, and so we have an energy measuring system.
Okay, and is there something even more special in our AMEX system regarding the energy measurement?
Of course there is. I brought two terminals because we integrated not only one terminal into it, actually two. So both terminals together build the distributed power measurement system. One is measuring voltage and current. The other one is measuring only current, but still it is an energy measuring terminal because it gets the needed voltage information over EtherCAT, which is integrated in the MX system, over the bus, and then it has all information it needs to calculate energy.
Yes.
Same goes here. So when we have an outgoing current, for example, to feed a substation, then this outgoing current is measured, and then the voltage information from the beginning is transferred by a digital EtherCAT, and then we have both information at the same point, and then we can measure and calculate the energy.
So it doesn't matter if we use the small infeed or the big infeed for our system. Every time we use an infeed, and that's what we have to use, we have the integrated energy measurement, even for substations.
Exactly.
Okay, all right. So this was all about the hardware. What about software?
Well, software should always be easy, especially if it's something added on top of your application, because you want to use your main time for building the application. Energy consumption measurement should be easy, as I said. Then you use our energy consumption building blocks and integrate it into your project, and you have one for each device, and more or less that's all you need to do, because you have something connected to it in your HMI then, and therefore you can then see the energy consumption of the whole system.
So really modular as well.
Yes.
Okay. And we also have the diagnosis app, right?
I forgot about that. Yeah, of course you do. So each and every device can be scanned by the diagnosis app, and then you don't even need the HMI at all, because you have it on your cell phone, and so it's even faster.
And easy. All right. Thank you, Fabian, for this information.
You're welcome.
So, as we learned, by choosing the AMEX system for your automation solution, you will not only get a really modular and compact automation solution, but also a really smart one with a lot of integrated features like the energy measurement. So, stay tuned. There's more to come.